Hi guys, my name is Sana and welcome back to my channel. From the title of the video आपने फिगर आउट कर लिया होगा कि आज हम बात करने वाले हैं मेरे जुलाई एमटीज़ की। जुलाई में मैंने काफ़ी सारे सैम्पल साइज़ प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं, सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ सैम्पल साइज़ प्रोडक्ट्स ओवर हियर. आई हैव यूज्ड सम फुल साइज़ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Let's start with some hair care. The first hair care product I have over here is the Herbal Essence का Argan Oil Conditioner. I have used their shampoo as well and वो कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने अपने MTs में बताया था. I have a full review about the Herbal Essence Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner variant on my channel. I will leave a link in the description box below. But in short, I absolutely love this. I have been recommending this particular shampoo and conditioner duo to like everybody and जिन्होंने भी ये try किया है, trust me, they have been loving it. ये मतलब बहुत अच्छा कर देता है मेरे बालों को. माई हेयर इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी ड्राई एंड फ्रिजी, बट व्हेन आई यूज़ दिस इट बिकम्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड वेरी मैनेजेबल. टैंगल फ्री कर देता है, फ्रिज को भी कंट्रोल में रखता है. एंड एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस. इफ़ यू हैव नॉट ट्राइड द हर्बल एसेंस के शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर्स, देन आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली गिव देम अ शॉट. दे आर अमेजिंग. The next thing that I emptied out is the Wella ka Invigo Nutri Enrich with Goji Berry Deep Nourishing Mask. This is basically इनका जो orange वाला variant है वो वाला. So my bhabhi actually uses this and she's somebody who does not she doesn't experiment with her hair care because उनको Wella का ये जो particular orange variant है, she loves that and she uses this. She doesn't use this as a hair mask, she uses it as a conditioner and she absolutely loves it. I've also used some bit of it and इसकी स्मेल भी काफ़ी अच्छी है एंड इट डेफिनेटली डज़ मेक द हेयर सो मच बेटर एंड सो मच सॉफ्ट. एंड उनके बाल टचवुड काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, लाइक स्मूथ और सिल्की ऐसे स्ट्रेट से. तो दिस रियली हेल्प्स टू कंट्रोल हर स्मूथनेस एंड उनके बाल और ज़्यादा अच्छे कर देता है. Then the next thing that we'll come to skincare now. The next thing is the Plum ka Hello Aloe moisturizer. So this was a decent moisturizer. There is nothing good or bad that I can say about this. Did it work? Yes, it does moisturize my skin, but is it like mind blowing that I will go on and recommend it to you guys? या फिर I will repurchase? Not really, because there are other moisturizers also in the market that I want to try and I probably love already. So this was a decent one, nothing very fancy about it. The next product that I finished off was this Good Molecules ka Niacinamide Brightening Toner. If you watched my niacinamide ka video, if you watched my best toners for oily and acne prone skincare, then I absolutely love this toner. This is so good. I mean, I am so upset that this is over and this is not even available in India. अगर ये इंडिया में available होता है तो I would have stocked up, but fortunately Insta sellers जो होते हैं, they have this toner and also their serum. So I will leave a link to the trusted Insta sellers that I know are selling authentic products. So if you want to try something like this, then you should definitely check them out. The next product I mean is this Cosrx का One Step Original Clear Pad. ये भी एक इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड है, कोरियन स्किन केयर ब्रांड है. दीज आर बेसिकली देयर टोनर पैड्स विच यू आर सपोज टू वाइप ऑफ योर स्किन. मतलब टोनर का काम करते हैं बेसिकली. आफ्टर क्लेंजिंग योर फेस यू आर सपोज टू यूज़ इट एंड दे हेल्प इन केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन. नाउ इफ़ यू आर समबडी हु इज़ न्यू टू केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन, आप रिसेंटली आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, देन दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट चॉइस फॉर यू. ये बहुत माइल्ड है. द परसेंटेज ऑफ द केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन, द variant of the chemical exfoliation, it is suitable for sensitive skin. It is suitable for people who are just beginning. If you have been already using chemical exfoliants, then I don't think you will enjoy it that much. क्योंकि I particularly मैंने तो काफ़ी chemical exfoliants use किए हैं. So this one was not like, मुझे उससे कुछ ज़्यादा असर नहीं दिखा, but I came to know that the percentage of this is really low. So for somebody who needs a milder exfoliant, for if you have sensitive skin, if you are just beginning, this is very beginner friendly. So this is also not available in India. I think ये Limes पर available होगा, Beauty Barn पर available होगा, या तो Insta sellers. I will leave all the links in the description box below, so you should definitely check them out. Now coming to some of the sample products that I have. The first one is the Laneige का lip balm, लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क इन द वेरिएंट बेरी. ये बहुत अच्छा है. आई डोंट रियली नीड टू से एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द स्मेल ऑफ इट। इसमें ये छोटा वाला वेरिएंट है, इसका बड़ा वेरिएंट भी आता है, एंड नायका हैज़ ऑल्सो कम अप विथ some other variants of this, like some other flavors of this. So if you are somebody who wants to try this, ये छोटा वाला, I think other variants के छोटे वाले versions available नहीं हैं. I really hope कि उसके भी छोटे versions available हों. But if you have extremely dry, extremely chapped lips, then you should definitely give this a shot. ये बहुत अच्छा है. The next thing is this Tatcha का eye cream. This is the deep hydration firming eye serum. This is Tatcha. Tatcha is also an international brand. ये काफ़ी expensive है. I had won this in a giveaway, that is why I have it. But just look at the packaging. It is so beautiful. इसके सारे, if you know, you go on Instagram or Google and then you find Tatcha and you will see उनकी packaging कितनी बढ़िया होती है. मतलब just it's beautiful. So coming back to the eye cream, it was pretty disappointing. मुझे बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आया इसको यूज़ करके. Actually I was just expecting too much, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी expensive brand भी है. But it was not even like you know deep hydration बोल रहा है ये, but it was not even like इसने मुझे कुछ बहुत burst और boost of hydration दे दिया या कुछ. I've used better eye creams in the past, so not really a fan of this. Now coming to this sample size, this sachet, this is the Coxir Black Snail Collagen Eye Cream. This, if you know snail mucin, वो थोड़ा sticky होता है, right? And this eye cream is also really sticky. मतलब वो मैं जब उसको ऐसे लेती हूँ तो वो लगाने में मतलब इट्स अ हैसल. आई डोंट लाइक इट. आई थिंक मैंने इसको एक छोटी सी डब्बी में कहीं तो खाली किया था. आई जस्ट डिस्कार्डेड इट. आई रियली लाइक इट्स स्ट्रिंगी. मतलब like can you see, I don't know whether my camera will capture it, but it's just like it goes everywhere and it's not even a good feeling. मुझे ये eye cream बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. And I've used, like I said, I've used better eye creams. I think this video is not for eye cream recommendations for sure. Then next let's talk about this toner. This is the chia seed hydrating toner from the Face Shop, and this chia seed range काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है मुझे. उनका मैंने लोशन भी यूज़ किया है, वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा है. लाइक वो लोशन लाइक आई थिंक 2-3 लोगों को मैंने recommend किया था and everybody really liked it. So that lotion is very hydrating but it's not sticky, so even acne oily skin type can use it. So this chia seed hydrating toner is also really good. Face Shop के products generally काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. The next thing is this Ons का face pack. This is I think the Upton face pack. This is also a decent face pack. I don't really have much to say क्योंकि ये भी एक sample size ही था. If you can see, इतना सा ही था, sample size ही था. I think 2 या 3 ही uses मुझे इससे मिले, and it's good. Like if you need like Upton face pack, then you can definitely check that out. The next thing is this saffron gel. This is from the brand The Basic Organics. The Basic Organics is an amazing brand. If you are just starting out with skincare, if you are a teenager who does not have enough money to invest in skincare products, then I think you should start with The Basic Organics. इनके products बहुत ही affordable हैं and बहुत ही mild हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं. If you are a beginner, they are very beginner friendly. They are very teenage friendly. She has a lot of products. And she has these minis also. So they have big full sizes products also, and they have these minis also. So minis में I have finished off the saffron gel. The saffron gel is amazing. If you have oily skin especially, and if you are looking for a moisturizer, then, and if you are on a budget, like if you are on a budget, then definitely check the saffron gel out. It's amazing. बहुत ही bomb product है. She has a saffron toner also, which is like a saffron toner, saffron gel का combo works so well for the skin. The next thing is this skin brightening mask. This was also a very good mask. Like I said, काफ़ी affordable है and it is effective. It's very mild, so it's very beginner friendly. It's very teenage friendly, I would say. The next 2 things are, इसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं है. So they are from Pure Me. This is also an Indian homemade, like a natural kind of brand. The Basic Organics is also an Indian natural brand. सो प्योरमी के लास्ट एम्प्टीज़ अगर आपने मेरा देखा होगा तो मैंने उसके हाइड्रोसोल्स बताए थे. नाउ आई यूज़ दो हाइड्रोसोल्स टू एक्टिवेट माई पाउडर मास्क. मतलब पाउडर मास्क में मैं उनको मिक्स करके आई अप्लाइड ऑन माई फेस. These are some of the gels that she has. इसमें लिखा हुआ तो नहीं है because they are many sizes and I have all the gels from her range. So I remember that ये शायद hibiscus gel था and turmeric gel था जो मैंने finish off किया है, and they are amazing. Like आप इसको as a मॉइस्चराइज़र भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन देन यू जस्ट अप्लाई इट ऑन योर फेस एंड इट्स डन. एंड मैं जनरली इसको यूज़ करती हूँ टू एक्टिवेट माई पाउडर मास्क, माई हेयर मास्क या फिर माई फेस मास्क या फेस पैक्स विच आर इन पाउडर फॉर्म. सो दिस एक्ट्स एज अ वेरी गुड एक्टिवेटर. You can use it as a moisturizer as well. So those were all my empties for the month of July. I will leave all the links in the description box below if you want to check out any of these brands. इसके कुछ चीज़ों के reviews मैंने already अपनी channel पे भी किए हुए हैं. So I will leave all the links in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram. वहाँ पर मैंने इन सब के बारे में डिटेल में बात की है. I generally post a lot of detailed reviews on individual products in all of on my Instagram. So definitely check me out over there as well. I will leave a link in the description box below. And I'm going to leave so many things in the description box below. But if you like these kind of videos, then please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.